Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we are going to solve this question. Nice Olympiad math problem. 2 power x minus 1 equals to x plus 1 without using logarithm. Solution. And of course, first thing here is to copy what we have. We have 2 power x minus 1 equals to x plus 1, step by step. And then first thing here is to remove this power we have right here. We shall say 2 power x minus 1, then power itself 1 over x minus 1. And what we can do, one side we have to do it on other side. We have x plus 1, then power 1 over x minus 1. And of course, this and this will be cancelled to get 2, which is equal to x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1. By rearranging, we shall say x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1 will be 2. Now, at this stage, we have x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1, and then of course these two will be square root of 4, and the square root can be written as 4 power 1 over 2, right? Then of course x plus 1 power 1 over x minus 1 can be written as this 4 is equal to 3 plus 1 power, these two can be 3 minus 1. And if you see nicely, we have x which is equal to 3 and have x which is equal to 3. We can equalize each other from base. When we equalize base, we shall get x plus 1 which is equal to 3 plus 1. Then here x plus 1 equals to 4. Then x will be 3. This is when we equalize base. Once we equalize power, we shall get 1 over x minus 1, which equals to 1 over 3 minus 1, right? Then by cross multiplication, we have this one, x minus 1, which equals to 3 minus 1. X minus 1 will be 2, and then x will be 3. So you're going to check if the answer is correct. We have given 2 power x minus 1 equals to x plus 1. Then here I have 2. 3 minus 1 equals to 2 will be 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And then here we have 4, which is equal to 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, to mean that our value of x is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.